I'm never talking math. I'm talking just a little bit of technology as far as, you know, the tools I'm going to need or the funding that I'm going to need from them, right? And that's it. And then I'm able to turn around and use my second phase to talk to the tech side and be able to lead them and tell them and say, okay, here's what we need. We need 4 different objects. I need 1 object to do this. I need the database to have this. I need us to reach out to this API, and I need you all to do it in this code under this architecture, right? I'm able to use my tech skills to design that for them, right? So having that ability to talk to both of those teams is super valuable and will absolutely move you up into leadership quickly, right? Because you're able to understand what the business wants and still be a friendly guy, right? Because remember, the business doesn't want to talk to the math nerds, right? You don't want to be the math nerd talking to the business guys. You're able to take what they just told you, and then you're able to go to the tech side and design what you need, right? Like at that point, you're not even a data scientist, you're like a data science architect, right?